In ArcGIS Pro, we can easily add Google Maps or Google satellite imagery. We need to go to the catalog. If you don't see the catalog pane here, go to View. Then click Catalog Pane. It will open on the right side. Next, click on Portal, and then choose ArcGIS Online. Now, search for Google Maps. You'll find options like Google Web Map and Google Earth Satellite. Several choices will appear. Let's select Google Maps here and add it. Right-click and then Add and Open. Now we can see that Google Maps has opened in another map. We need to copy it. Go to our main map. Right-click, and paste. Now Google Maps is added to our main map. Next, let's search for Google Earth. Right-click on Google Earth Satellite and click Open. Copy it. Go to the main map, and paste. If we want to add the hybrid map, search for Google Hybrid. Now right-click on Google Hybrid Map. Then click Add and Open. The hybrid map is added. Finally, copy it and paste it into our main map.